Hey, money makers, welcome back to Over Here We Craft for Money. I'm DJ, and welcome back to It Is Time to Christmasize Everything. We are on day 4, and today's craft is cheap and easy and super quick. Now, we all know during the holidays we are entertaining and you got folks coming in and out. Maybe you're making your favorite drink, smoothie, coffee, and headed out the door. And I'm trying to make that easier for you than it ever has been before. I done slid on over into the Dollar Tree, honey, and found these cute little cups they have, plus their old standbys, the Styrofoam cups, with a little sticker and a little ingenuity. Baby, you gonna love this one. Let's jump right in. So the first cup that we're going to start with is the good old standby styrofoams. We have some UV DTF stickers. We have our cup holder. With these stickers, guys, all you have to do is peel the UV DTF sticker apart from the carrier sheet. Turn it over and lay it flat on your cup. Press it down and then smooth it with your fingers. You don't even need a burnishing tool to do it, and peel it off, and baby, you are done. Did I tell you how quick that was? Now you can get a sleeve of the styrofoam cups for $1.25. I believe that they come 8 to that sleeve, and they are a nice size. Now let's talk UV DTF stickers. If you've not ventured into this, you definitely should. Not sure if it's going to be something you want in your business? Check out Temu, because that's where I got what you see me using here in the video. I was curious, and before I started going too deep down the rabbit hole, I wanted to see, was it as easy as everybody was saying? And honey, they did not disappoint. All I needed to do was peel off the carrier sheet, turn it down, press it down, and smooth it with my finger, and just use my little picker tool to pick it off. Now, these from Temu was a whole sleeve focused on hot cocoa and snowmen were the theme. These came from their US warehouse, so I did not have to wait forever for it. And I promise y'all, these were less than $3 for this particular sheet that I got. They were all different sizes and they had different images on each of them. Now, I found that these blue snowman ones worked really well on the styrofoam cup because although they are cut close to the image, it's not individually kiss cut, which is a method of making stickers. I think if I had to use these on the clear cups that you're going to see in the second half of this video, you would have seen it too easily and it would not have looked as polished and high end. Hiding them on this styrofoam cup actually makes the styrofoam cup go up to the next level. Now, we love this because you can make tons of these for less than $10. A few sleeves and a few sheets of UV DTF stickers from this particular brand, and baby, you don't care if they want to keep using different cups. But trust me, once they pick out one of these cute ones with the cute little saying on there, they are not going to want to put their cup down and walk away. They're going to keep that cup for the entire time they're there. Now, I think these styrofoam cups are perfectly, tongue-tied, honey. I'm so excited to tell y'all about it. I think these are perfect for coffee. These are great for hot chocolate. These would be really great if it's a snowy night and you live in a cold area. Y'all are out about looking at the Christmas lights. People can come and get that. If you lucky enough to have a fire pit, honey, you can sit out on your porch or your back porch and have your little hot adult beverage, slide you a little Kahlua in there. I'm not trying to tell y'all what to do, but if y'all got some Baileys on hand, honey, it is a great addition to that cocoa. I'm just saying, we grown over here sometime, but I'm loving it. The colors are pretty, and I think that it just takes the basic styrofoam cup and it really takes it up a notch, and it lets your guests know that you care and you wanted to do a little something extra for them. So this is project number 1. Like I said, for less than $5, you are going to be able to make, at least if you get the sheets from Temu, you're going to be able to make at least 12 cups. How cute are they? They are so stinking cute. I cannot wait to share them with my friend at her breakfast. Now let's move on to number 2. Baby, they got these sippable cups with the lid. They're plastic cups with the sip lid is what it's called. So it allows you to put a straw inside and be on your merry way. Now I got these from Temu as well. These were kind of sarcastic Christmas little UV DTF stickers. Again, it came from their US warehouse, so I did not have to wait forever for them. But what I really liked about these and why I put them on this clear cup is because they did the kiss cut method on these stickers, which meant when they cut the wording out, it's very closely aligned to each letter. So you don't see all that extra film around it, and they actually have a little gloss to them. And that's what made me fall in love with them. So you get 6 of these cups for $1.25. It's the cup and the lid. So guys, that's not bad at all. Again, the sheet of stickers, I think they cost me about $3.50. Now, one thing you might be thinking to yourself, okay, DJ, that's all fine and dandy. I want to do this. I know I can go to the Dollar Tree and get the cups, but who got time for Temu to be sending me my stuff? It might take too long or I got to pay for shipping. Baby, our friends over at All Day Shirts is having a 50% off sale on all DTF, including their UV DTF stickers. And so I'm suggesting that you use this version of the cup for either iced coffee, which is or your favorite smoothie, your favorite cold beverage. These cups cannot take heat, so I would not put hot coffee in it because I do think that it will start to melt the plastic. But these are absolutely adorable, and these will also take up those adult beverage drinks. If you are entertaining for the holiday season, it's gonna take them up a notch, okay? So get yourself some of these cups from the Dollar Tree, snatch you up some UV DTF stickers. And again, All Day Shirts has them. This is not a sponsored video, but y'all know I hook y'all up when I find something good on sale, honey. And 50% off is absolutely a great on sale deal. I hope you enjoyed day 4. Quick and easy drinkware for entertainment. You gonna wow your guests for pennies on the dollar. Until tomorrow for day 5, which I hope you come back for. Bye, everybody.